What's going on, guys? It's your boy Six Sad back again with another video, guys. So I was on Twitter, right? I was on Twitter just casually scrolling through Twitter, fam. Like everyone just scrolls through Twitter, you know. I'm just scrolling through, and I saw this video with this white kid. No racist shit, but this white kid was rapping, bro. This kid was rapping. He's a kid. He's white, and he was rapping, bro. So I was like, God damn. I have to find this video, and I saw this guy replied, and he said his name was Matt OX or Matt Ox or whatever his name is. So like, knowing me, fam, knowing me, I went on to friggin' YouTube and I found the video. I downloaded the video on my desktop for easy access. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, we're gonna be reacting to this video just to see what this kid is up to. Let's jump straight into the video. Okay, it starts off cool. Wait, hold up. First off, this dude, his pants is like, it's down there, fam. Like his pants is past, it's way below his waist. Anyways, and what are these kids just standing up? Never mind, let's go. Yo, this shit just got hype. I wasn't ready for this. Let me start over, bro. It got hype too quick. Bro, I think they know where you are, fam. What is he talking about? What are you talking about, bro? This nigga has all the Advils in the back. He got Aleve, he got friggin' cold relief in the back, bro. He got the sinus pills. So if you got the sinus, you know, hook my man up. The man's right there, bro. If you got the sinus, you know. This man say nobody know where B's at, bro. You're on the freaking truck. We know where you at, fam. Yo, this man has all the cash still. Look, check my wallet out. Check my freaking wallet out, bro. It's just receipts for my freaking bus pass. This man is standing on a car, bro. I have to freaking take the bus. You see this? $10, bro. That's how we living out here, bro. I don't got no cash. This man is out here balling on YouTube. Bro, why do all these kids get all the money and the fame, bro? Like, he has a Bape shirt on. Look, I have a freaking Adidas. I don't even like Adidas. I only wear this because I got it. Like, bro. Oh, that is no. This. Give me a friend like this. I want a friend who just throws money at me. Look at this dude. His friends is just throwing money at him, like, for no reason. He's trying to make a music video. His friends just throwing money at him. I don't even think they planned that. They're just so rich. Like, their friends just say, like, yo, bro. They just throw money at each other. Like, you see that? Hey. This nigga said all my sauce is dripping. Dip my chicken in it. Woo! Hey.
That I'm still building, but I'm pretty
Hey, bars, fire, hey, pull up, hey, pull up, hey, 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 hey. That shit slap.